In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Windows 10 memory. Understanding how your computer's memory is currently being used is vital for ensuring optimal performance and figuring out if you need to make any upgrades. So let's dive right in and walk you through this simple process. First, let's get started by opening the Task Manager. The quickest way to do this is to press Ctrl, Shift and Escape on your keyboard all together. This shortcut immediately brings up the Task Manager, which is a versatile tool you'll find helpful for a variety of system management tasks. Once the Task Manager window is open, you'll be presented with a streamlined view that shows you the apps and processes currently running. However, what we're interested in today is not on this basic tab. Next, we're going to locate the Performance tab. To do this, simply look at the top of the Task Manager window and you'll see several tabs horizontally aligned. Click on the one labelled Performance. The Performance tab is an insightful area that displays the live usage statistics for various hardware components such as your CPU, memory, disk and network connections. This view provides a real-time summary of how these resources are being utilized, which is essential for diagnosing any slowdowns or checking the efficiency of your machine. Now that you're in the Performance tab, let's focus on memory, also known as RAM. On the left pane you should see a list of components. Click on Memory to get a more detailed overview of its usage. Here you'll find a comprehensive breakdown that includes the total amount of RAM installed on your system, how much is currently being used and how much is available. You can also spot details such as the memory composition, which indicates how the RAM is being partitioned for various tasks. This section also reveals important specs like the memory speed and the number of slots being used. Knowing how your memory is allocated allows you to assess whether your machine is underperforming because of insufficient RAM, and if upgrading it could solve such issues. Before we wrap up, it's worth noting that if you find yourself regularly running out of memory, you might want to close some unnecessary applications or consider a RAM upgrade for your device. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can now easily check the memory usage on your Windows 10 computer and keep an eye on your system's performance. Don't forget to explore other features of the Task Manager to get a better understanding of your computer's overall health. Thanks for tuning in and happy computing.